List of women's Olympic football tournament records and statistics. This is a list of records of the women's football tournament in the Olympic Games ever since the inaugural edition in 1996. General statistics by tournament. Teams, tournament position. Teams having equal quantities in the tables below are ordered by the tournament the quantity was attained in. The teams that attained the quantity first are listed first. If the quantity was attained by more than one team in the same tournament, these teams are ordered alphabetically. Most titles won. 4. United States 1996, 2004, 2008, 2012. Most finishes in the top 2. 5. United States. Most finishes in the top 3. 6. United States, all but 2016. Most finishes in the top 4. 6. United States, all but 2016. Consecutive. Most consecutive championships. 3. United States 2004-2012. Most consecutive finishes in the top 2. Top 2, top 2, 2. 5. United States 1996-2012. Most consecutive finishes in the top 3. 5. United States 1996-2012. Gaps. Longest gap between successive titles, 8 years, United States 1996-2004. Host team. Best finish by host team. Host team. Champion, United States 1996. Worst finish by host team. 10th position, Greece 2004. Other. Most finishes in the top 2 without ever being champion. 2. Brazil 2004, 2008, Sweden 2016, 2020. Most finishes in the top 3 without ever being champion. 2. Brazil 2004, 2008, Sweden 2016, 2020. Most finishes in the top 4 without ever being champion. 5. Brazil 1996, 2008, 2016. Most finishes in the top 4 without ever finishing in the top 2. 1. France 2012, Australia 2020. Coaches, tournament position. Most championships. 2. Pia Sundhage, United States, 2008-2012. Most finishes in the top 2. 3. Pia Sundhage, United States, 2008-2012, Sweden 2016. Most finishes in the top 3. 3. Pia Sundhage, United States, 2008-2012, Sweden 2016. Most finishes in the top 4. 3. Pia Sundhage, United States, 2008-2012, Sweden 2016. Teams, matches played, and goals scored. All time. Source. Most matches played. 38, United States. Most wins. 27, United States. Most losses. 12, Sweden. Most draws. 8, Brazil. Most goals scored. 76, United States. Most hat-tricks scored. 2, Brazil. Most goals conceded. 34, Sweden. Fewest goals scored. 0, Greece. Fewest goals conceded. 7, Great Britain. Highest goal difference. Plus 40, United States. Lowest goal difference. Minus 12, Zimbabwe. Highest average of goals scored per match. 2.0, United States. Highest average of goals conceded per match. 5.0, Zimbabwe. Individual. Most tournaments played. 7, Formiga, Brazil, 1996-2020. Most medals. 4, Christy Rampone, United States, 2000-2012. Most matches played. Finals. 33, Formiga, Brazil, 1996-26C. Most matches won. 19. Christy Rampone, United States, 2012. Youngest player? 16 years, 119 days, Ellie Carpenter, Australia, vs Zimbabwe, 9 August 2016. Oldest player? 43 years, 149 days, Formiga, Brazil, vs Canada, 30 July 2021. Goal scoring? Individual. Most goals scored, overall finals, 14 Christian, Brazil, 2004-2016. Most goals scored in a tournament, 10 Vivian Niedemann, Netherlands, 2020. Most goals scored in a match, 4 Birgit Prince, Germany, vs China, 2004, Vivian Niedemann, Netherlands vs Zambia, 2020. Most goals scored in a lost match, 3 Christine Sinclair, Canada vs United States, 2012, Barbara Banda, Zambia vs Netherlands, 2020. Most goals scored in a final match, 2 Tiffany Milbridge, United States vs Norway, 2000, Carly Lloyd, United States vs Japan, 2012. Most goals scored in all final matches, 3 Tiffany Milbridge, United States, 1 vs China in 1996 and 2 vs Norway in 2000. Carly Lloyd, United States, 1 vs Brazil in 2008 and 2 vs Japan in 2012. Fastest hat trick, 14 minutes. Christian, Brazil scored at 34, 35 and 45 plus 3 vs Nigeria, 2008. Most hat tricks, 2 Christian, Brazil, 2004-2008, Barbara Banda, Zambia, 2020. Youngest hat-trick scorer, 19 years, 94 days, Christian, Brazil, vs Greece, 17 August 2004. Youngest goal scorer final, 20 years, 196 days, Stina Blackstenius, Sweden, vs Germany, 19 August 2016. Oldest hat-trick scorer, 29 years, 55 days, Christine Sinclair, Canada, vs United States, 6 August 2012. Oldest goal scorer final, 30 years, 24 days, Carly Lloyd, United States, vs Japan, 9 August 2012. Most penalties scored excluding during shootouts, 2 Perpetua Nkwacha, Nigeria, 1 each in 2000 and 2008. Team. Biggest margin of victory, 8. Germany 8 vs China PR 0, 2004. Most goals scored in a match, 1 team. 10. Netherlands vs Zambia, 2020. Most goals scored in a match, both teams, 13. Netherlands 10 vs Zambia 3, 2020. Tournament. Most goals scored in a tournament, 71 goals, 2012. Fewest goals scored in a tournament, 42 goals, 2000. Most goals per match in a tournament, 3.31 goals per match, 1996. Fewest goals per match in a tournament, 2.54 goals per match, 2008-2016. Coaching. Most final appearances as head coach, 3. Pia Sundhage, United States, 2008 and 2012, Sweden 2016, John Herdman, New Zealand, 2008, Canada 2012 and 2016. Most final appearances as player and head coach, 4. Pia Sundhage, Sweden 1996 as player and 2016 as coach, United States 2008 and 2012 as coach. Discipline. Most sendings off match, both teams, 2. China PR 1 vs Brazil 1, 1996. Most cautions match, both teams, 8. Brazil 4 vs United States 4, 2000. Attendance. Highest attendance in a match, 80,203, United States vs Japan, 9 August 2012, Wembley Stadium, London 2012. Highest attendance in a final, 80,203, United States vs Japan, 9 August 2012, Wembley Stadium, London 2012. Lowest attendance in a match, 1418, United States vs Japan, 20 August 2004, Kaftanzoglio Stadium, Thessaloniki 2004. Highest average of attendance per match, 43,235, 1996. Highest attendance in a tournament, 740,014, 2008. Lowest average of attendance per match, 10,432, 2004. Lowest attendance in a tournament, 208,637, 2004.